Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Here we go. Hey guys, No Gas Nico here. Quick little hack on how to change your wiper blades or to get them up and off your windshield in case there's snow and ice coming in the forecast. That way you don't get all that crap stuck on your windshield wipers. So I'm going to show you what you need to do. It's very simple, and if you don't know it, you're welcome. Look, the car's been off for a while. Open the door. So no accessories are on. It's telling me to start the car. You can see there.
Parking recording will now start.
Dash cam. Sorry about that. And even with the car off, pull back. There they go. To release them back, pull back. There you go. Thanks for watching, and God bless.